It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Times, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one. I've been looking forward to doing this since I heard about it. This is Cup Noodles breakfast. And it's not going to be spicy. However, I'm going to do a mukbang of this. So coming up after this is done cooking and you've seen it do the spinny spin spin, an hour after that, if you're watching it right when this comes out, the mukbang will appear. So this is supposed to be what? Pancakes, maple syrup, pancakes, sausage, and egg noodle. Weird, huh? So we do room temp water to the line and then microwave it for 4 minutes. So here's room temp water to the line. Oh my. Oh my. And then we put it in the Foodoraka cycle. For 4 minutes. We want to lower the power level or it will explode everywhere. Let's see. All right, there we are. And then after that's done, we do it for 1 minute. We let it stand for a minute. Can you stand it? So yeah, we got that going on. This is one that came in a, they were calling it a, what do you call it? Like a media for the press box. They included a couple interesting things. They included Cup Noodles Breakfast Hot Sauce, which I will try with it. And Cup Noodles Maple Syrup. So that should be pretty interesting, I think. So what's going on? Turn it off! The children are home. It's spring break, ladies and gentlemen. And yeah, so that's actually pretty cool. We went out walking today. This says, if I can manage to get my 10 miles in today, this will be the 45th day in a row that I've been doing 10 miles and about a month that I've been doing 1,200 calories a day. It's been going pretty good. Yeah, it's been going well. And yeah, so I'm going to try out these breakfast cup noodles. It's a very strange thing, isn't it? But I think it'll be interesting. I think it's worth a shot. I want to thank a couple special people who sent me some from far-flung places because I can't get it here. And the folks at Nissin sent me 1 cup, which I'm thankful to them that they at least sent a cup, but man, I wish I would have gotten more. So what do you do? I don't know. But they don't. It's crazy because this is a limited run and they've got it only at Walmart, but the Walmarts around here show not available, and the list of availability will disappear, and then it's like a third-party thing that you can get via Walmart, and they're like $9, and it's weird. They started out like at $9.45 for a single cup. And then like 2 hours later, they were like $9.43, $9.42, $9.40, $9.38. Last I looked, they were $9.36. And then all of a sudden, it'll switch over to showing a list of stores nearby your zip code, and all of them say not available. A guy named James from Lakeside, California sent me 4 that should be arriving tomorrow. Thank you, dude. And Stumpy, big friend of the show from North Little Rock, Arkansas, made the arduous sojourn from his location in North Little Rock over bus, over Dale, over whatever, to Little Rock It's like, I guess it's like 15 miles away. And yeah, and went to the Walmart there. He got 24 of them and he sent me 10. So thank you, dude. I'm going to be doing a huge splurge on these things. I'm going to be making ice cream, I'm going to make bread with it. I'm going to make French toast with that bread. I'm going to make prison ramen style burritos with this stuff. That's going to be a tricky one because I want to have like sweet tortilla chips and like a sweet Cheeto kind of thing. I'm thinking the Mexican sweet corn. I don't know. We'll see. Better than just straight cheese. For the chip, there's got to be like some kind of sopapilla or something like that. Now we got a minute. Come on. There you go. Once that's done, that'll be done. And I was going to make something else. Did I say ice cream already? I'm going to make a bunch of stuff. And this is kind of the second really ultra unique, strange thing that Nissin has pushed out of their cup noodle range since the first one was the pumpkin spice cup noodles, which I did all sorts of crazy things with that. I actually took the pumpkin spice one and I ground it up in a magic bullet, and then I prepared it in the microwave, and then I put it all in a store-bought graham cracker pie filling and made pumpkin pie kinda out of it. Tasted like pumpkin pie. The pie filling was just kind of stiff. It was really weird, but it worked. I tried making a savory one at one point using their teriyaki. What was it? The stir fry ones that they make. Interesting. And here is what we've got, ladies and gentlemen. This is our breakfast cup noodle. Now, one thing I'm going to say right now, it's very important to stir these things really well and get everything going. I saw a guy do a cooking and taste test by steeping these. You can't do it, and the reason being is that when you do these in the microwave, it loses a lot of moisture and it will make the saucy aspect more saucy. And it certainly looked like, when I saw the noodle that the guy had made, I could tell right away they're too light in color. It just doesn't work. Good on you though for trying it. I mean, that's cool. I've already heard plenty of people saying, "Oh dude, no way, not for me, I wouldn't try that." You people, I swear, and I'm saying you people who are afraid to try something new and different, I pity you. Because there's nothing wrong with trying new things. It's like, that's what I do every day, is try new things. Granted, they're usually noodles, but here, that is cup noodles pumpkin. Or no, cup noodles breakfast. Right now, I'm not getting. Guy, go sit down. Stop lurking. The children are agog and fascinated. Especially my daughter. She wants to try it really bad. Yeah, this has little bits of sausage and junk in it. So let's allow the rotation on a plaid sugar plum to begin. That's a Zappa reference. If you don't listen to Zappa, you should. Here you go. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. I appreciate it. And yeah, the mukbang will be occurring next, or in an hour if you haven't seen it yet. So look around for it, you'll find it. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one.